This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can change your username in WordPress. Unfortunately, there's not just a simple click a button that says change username and you can do that. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. It's just kind of a step-by-step process. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to WordPress dashboard and go to users. And I have my two users here. Say I want to create a new username. I want to name it, I don't know, unicorns or something like that. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create a new user with the same role that you had, etc. So if I just name it unicorns for Eagles. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to use an old email address, okay? You can't use the same one that you're using on your other username. You can use it after you have created this email or created this user and have deleted the old one, but you're going to need a different email to use in order for this to work. And I believe I used this one already. Okay, so I'm just going to do this. Okay, and I'm going to just pick the role I want and click add new user. So say I want to add, I want to change this one. All my content is on this one that I've, all my posts, all my pages, etc. But I don't need this one anymore because I have the username I want. So all you need to do is click delete. And this is a very important step. If you have a lot of content that you've created, such as posts or pages, etc., if you click delete all content, all that content is going to be deleted. So obviously, that's not what I want to do. So what you're going to want to do is click attribute all content to your new username that you want to use, and then you would just simply hit confirm deletion. And then if you want to change your email to the one that you used previously, all you need to do is go to edit, scroll down, and then put your email address here and then click save and you'll be good to go. Okay. Another way you can do this, you can use a plugin. I believe it's called User Roles plugin. It can do it automatically for you, step by step. To me, this way is pretty easy to do. I'll try to list out the instructions in the comments to help you further. Another way you can do it is if you have access to your hosting, you can go to PHP My Admin. I'm not going to go in too much to that, but pretty much you go to your PHP My Admin. I'm not really going to show you it because I have sensitive information in that. But what you'd be looking for once you're in hosting, you'd find PHP My Admin. Then you would go to WP users right here. That will list out all the users that you have, and all you have to do is click edit and change the user like that, and then click save and you'll be good to go. Okay, so that is how you change your username in WordPress. I hope that helps you guys, and have a lovely day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.